When you buy this bridge, it comes with the screws and tools you'll need. There are two main parts to this bridge, a finger and a base. I'll show you how to adjust them. First, you need to loosen the machine screw which holds the two parts together, as seen here. I just loosen it slightly. To adjust the angle or intonation height of the bridge, you need to adjust the two small grub screws at the front, seen here. You can adjust these with the Allen key provided, and you just adjust them accordingly. To adjust the scale length or intonation of the bridge, there's a grub screw at the back, seen here, and again you can adjust them with the Allen key provided. When you're happy with the setup, gently tighten the machine screw to hold everything in place. So back again with the other Allen key and just tighten it. Be careful not to over tighten any of the screws, as you may damage the part. You need to separate the two parts of the bridge by undoing the machine screw just here. We're only working with a base, so just put the finger aside. This is a ukulele that I'm working on at the moment, but the installation is the same for any instrument. I've already marked the scale length as shown by this vertical line just here. I've worked out the string spacing and marked these as horizontal lines on the body. A ukulele only has 4 strings, but you could have as many as you want. If you're fitting this bridge to a finished body, I'd use masking tape rather than drawing directly onto the body. So looking at the bridge base, you see the 2 grooves and the 4 holes in the base. The vertical line marked just here needs to be in the middle of these 2 grooves, so about here approximately. This will give you maximum intonation adjustment. The horizontal string line needs to be visible through all 4 of the middle holes. Mark the position of all 4 holes using a fine pencil or marker. Now you're ready to drill, so just double check to make sure everything is lined up. For the screw holes, you're aiming to drill close to 15mm deep. The middle 2 holes are different. One is slotted and the other is round. The round hole will accommodate the machine screw that holds the bridge together, so you just need to drill a shallow pocket for it, about 5mm deep. The slotted hole is for the string, so it needs to be drilled all the way through the guitar body. You want to drill as straight as possible down into the body, so be careful how you're lining things up. Once you've drilled all the holes, you're ready to fit it. Once you've drilled all the holes, you're ready to fit it. Put the base on the body and fasten in place with the screws. Be careful not to over tighten them. Fit the string and then adjust the intonation as needed with the grub screws. To complete, fasten the finger to the base using the machine screw.